Put one card back in there, holding the card upside down. That's holding up super well. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Nicole here. Today I am back with a very exciting video that is very near and dear to my heart actually, which is a quick review on my Gucci Zumi Grainy leather card case. The reason why this is so near and dear to my heart is because I got this as a gift from Arthur, and I realized that I never did a review on this. I know that I mentioned it in my unboxing for my Gucci Supreme key case. I made a mention of this card holder, but I never actually really talked about it in any sort of detail, which is totally doing this card holder a disservice. So spoiler alert, I love this. And so I wanted to just come on here and quickly give it my thoughts, that if any of you guys are looking at purchasing this or maybe buying it for a loved one, you guys have at least my thoughts. Okay, so without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's got that sort of interlocking G horsebit emblem at the front. I have mine in a burgundy color. It is in a grainy leather. Here is the back of the card case. It does have two slots on the front and the back, as well as a slot in the center. The middle pocket has that red pebbled leather going all the way through, and then for the pockets you can see that it doesn't go all the way through. There's this sort of material on the inside for the four main pockets, but the middle pocket is leather all the way through. Ooh, it feels just like so luxurious now, just holding it without like the cards in it. So I just checked Gucci's website, and this is retailing right now for $310, and I actually didn't see the burgundy color online. So this might be an in-store only color, or they might have discontinued it by now. I have no idea. I keep at this point 6 cards in here. So 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and then I have 2 in the center portion. For a while, I will say that I only had 1 card in this center slot, but have since added 1 card, my Costco card, in here because I do use this as sort of like my daily wallet. So I only keep on me the cards that I use on a regular basis. And yeah, my Costco card just joined that group. So it's been added to this wallet and it fits in there super comfortably. As you can see, I put 1 card back in there and holding the card upside down, it's not falling out. So that's really good. In terms of wear and tear, the card case looks great. Again, I use this every single day. It goes into every single one of my bags wherever I go. And sometimes I do go out without a bag and just take, this and my keys, for example. So one thing I do want to mention, looking really closely at the hardware, as you can see, it does have some scratches on it just from everyday use. And other than that, as you can see, the leather looks really, really great. It's a pebbled leather. And as you can see, that's holding up super well. The sides of the case, they look exactly the way they looked when I first received it. So besides this color, the Gucci card case does come in a couple of other colors. I believe there's a black one, a grayish white one, and then a green one. Again, I've got mine in the burgundy color, which I didn't see online. I will say that I love this pop of color. I mean, just like imagine pulling up somewhere, black bag, like all black everything, and you whip out this Gucci card case with a pop of color. I mean, that's a vibe if you ask me. Okay, you guys, so that's my quick review on the Gucci Zumi leather card case. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to let me know in the comment section down below what you guys want to see from me next. And also let me know if you guys have any other questions on the card case or on the Gucci Supreme key case that I also did. Happy to answer any questions that you guys have. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye! It's got that sort of interlocking G horsebit emblem at the front in both the gold and silver color. I have mine in a burgundy color. It is in a grainy leather, and Honey Bunny, he's walking all over the place.
Nice pants.
Thank you. You like my pants?